Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. For today's video guys, nagluto tayo ng easy recipe guys. Noodle soup with pak choy. Ayan guys. Easy recipe lang. Especially cold weather guys. Ang sarap. Yummy. Yummy yummy guys. Ayan. Ayan guys oh. Napakasarap. Napakasarap guys. Oh, easy recipe lang to guys. Noodle soup with pak choy. Ayan. Ayan. Sarap ito sa malamig na weather guys. Ayan guys. Hey. Ayan. Easy recipe lang. So guys, gawin nyo to sa malamig na panahon guys. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan na. Wow. Please like and share and comments below. Bye-bye.